guys? Hello. It is month 2. I almost did not go to the gym today, but we're gonna do it. I'm about to head off to the gym. I'm very matchy today. I'm feeling it. We've got blue and gray, and then look at my shoes. I've got my blue Pumas, super cute. I love that they have this whole pop of neon going on. Trendy or what? I mean, I got them like 2 years ago, so clearly I'm ahead of the trends. Quick backstory before I head to the gym. So I woke up this morning around 6:30, was super productive. The first thing I did was laundry when I woke up. If you know me, I hate doing laundry. I like never do it, and when I do it, it takes me like 2 weeks start to finish to complete the whole process at minimum. Yeah, so I did laundry, I ate breakfast, I started cleaning my room, like very productive. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym early today, get it out of the way, and then I'll have the rest of the day to like film and edit, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what happened. It's almost noon and I'm still not at the gym. So I need to get my butt out of this house and to the gym. Let's go. Workout complete. Today was really successful. I upped weights on a bunch of arm exercises and I don't feel as tired as I usually do after cardio. Today's great. I'm feeling great. I'm ready to go tackle the rest of my day and go eat because I'm very hungry. I just want to share with you what I think is quite possibly the best birthday present I've ever received. This right here is a smart hydration reminder. I was dying when my friends gave this to me. My birthday was back in December, but I just saw them recently since December. So I just got this and I am so excited to try this. So basically how it works, according to the packaging, is you attach it to your water bottle and then it'll blink to remind you to hydrate. And so on the back, it says that it blinks only when you forget to hydrate, and it follows the optimal hydration cycle and automatically turns on when you walk into the room. And there's no sound alarm, so you don't have to worry about it being like an annoying beep. You know, like how some watches are really annoying like that. And no charging, long life battery, 6 months replaceable battery. I think this is so cool. I cannot wait to try this out. It looks like a little egg. Oh, this is like a band? You know, I should probably read instructions before I try to just piece it together and maybe do it wrong. But I hate reading instructions. Okay, let's see. Why am I so challenged when it comes to easy things? Okay, there we go. Okay, wrap the band around your bottle. Narrow end of Ulla facing down. Ulla is ready. It will remind you to drink in the next 30 to 40 minutes, but only if you didn't already drink during that time. How does it know? Maybe from your movements, huh? Okay, let's put this on my water bottle. I'm so excited. Oh, I am struggling. My middle name should be Struggle. Shirin Struggle. Sounds like one of those emo usernames from back in the MySpace days. So let me try to drink and we'll see what happens. I can't drink water. I cannot drink water. Wow, it's spilled everywhere. It's all over my chin. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna check back in with you guys when... Wait, why did it do that? Oh, okay. If you tilt the bottle or you're drinking it, it has one blink. That explains. And then the reminder is continuous blinking until the bottle or glass is picked up. Gotcha. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. I'm glad I read. In other news, I found out that I can actually have tea, and it's not going to be a bad thing for me because at the end of the day, you're only losing like 30, 40, 50 calories at most when you're drinking tea. So guess who's about to go make some tea? So here is my tea stash. I love tea, as you can tell. Today, let's go with... Ooh, you know what? Let's go with this one. This one's really good. This is the Harvest Blend Herbal Tea, caffeine-free from Trader Joe's. My friend actually got this for me, and it is so amazing. Oh, my friends just know me so well. All right, now for lunch, what should we have? I'm thinking these steamed dumplings. I know it's not gonna fill me up, so I'll just have it as like a snack for now until I figure out what I really want to have. Here's what they look like. They're just 6 dumplings. You put them in the microwave for like a little bit, take them out, boom. Instant meal. Bon appetit. I also decided I'm gonna make tofu pizza, so I have my tofu just like sitting out there for like 20 minutes or whatever so it'll soak. So tofu pizza is something that I actually made up myself. It's kind of like a blend of a recipe that I found online combined with my own spin on it. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done, but if you guys want to see my whole recipe, leave a comment down below. Maybe I'll make a what I eat in a day video. I introduced to you tofu pizza. I may or may not have slightly overcooked the bread, but it's okay. I'm sure it's still gonna be amazing. Just look at this peanut sauce. Yum!
I killed it, it's murder.
Excuse me, can you calm down for 2 seconds? I get it. I need to drink water. Chill. Bro, chill. I just finished filming a video, but clearly I need to drink water. So I'm drinking water, okay? Okay, little pager beeper thing that doesn't beep. I drank, okay? You can chill now. I had 3 water bottles yesterday. That has not happened in a very long time for me. So, this is working. It definitely is. I actually see it as like a challenge, and I love a good challenge. So I try to drink before it starts going crazy like that. But today I haven't had it on my water bottle because I took it off last night when I went to the gym. But I should probably put it back on, huh? So I'm going to the gym alone today, which I'm not looking forward to. I like working out with other people, working out with Ollie, working out with my friends. Sometimes I just get too self-conscious when I go and I like freak out or like I'll avoid machines because I get too in my head, I get nervous. I need to work on that. So meanwhile, I'm sitting here, laying down actually, procrastinating, trying to put off the gym because like I don't want to go, but I do want to go, but I don't want to go. You feel me? But I need to go. I know I need to go. EDC is like so close. In other news, I just got gloves for working out because I've been noticing the past week I've been getting like calluses right here, like right there. And I'm like, I need to protect my hands. So I got these. They're very cute, very comfy. They are from Marshalls for $4.99. That is a steal. So if you're looking for gloves, check out Marshalls. Also try to find similar ones on Amazon in case you're interested in shopping on Amazon. So I'll just link them in the description below. Workout complete. I ended up going with my dad so I didn't have to go alone. Yay! You know what's really funny? When I was trying to check in, the scanner would not recognize me because my fingernails are too long. Like, I kept doing it and it was like, see your receptionist. And the guy's like, try again. So I tried again and he's like, I'll just let you in, you're fine. But like, my nails were too long, so I couldn't scan my finger. That's hilarious to me. Today was a good workout though. I feel very successful about it. I feel like next week I can up the weights and go heavier because today was semi-easy, even though I was drenched in sweat by the end of it. Cardio really got me. So last night I decided to make matcha protein bars. I have been wanting to make these for months. I don't know why I didn't get around to it because it's so easy to make and takes like no time at all. Let me show you guys what they look like though. I have them in the fridge. I left them in there overnight just to like chill, and I'm about to cut them. I'm so excited to try them. I tried the batter last night and it tasted so good, so I can't wait to have like the actual thing. Here is what it looks like. We've got oats in here, chocolate chips, matcha, protein powder, honey. Why do I feel like I'm missing something? Vanilla. I think that's it. Yeah, that should be about it. I followed some recipe I found online, kind of modified it, so hopefully it still tastes okay. I know it doesn't look the most appetizing, but I swear it tasted so good last night. Let me cut this up and we'll see how it goes. Now that is a nice chunky chunk. So good. Wow. Delicious. It's like matcha-y goodness in a bar. Wow. Amazing. You know how long I've been wanting to make this? Why did I not do this sooner? Oh my god. So even though I left this in the fridge overnight, it's still very soft and chewy. Like, it's so smooth. Is that the word to describe these things? I don't know, but it's really nice. I love making little energy bars like this to have as a snack, especially for after the gym. So I'm definitely going to be making more of these. EDC is days away and I am so excited. So fitness-wise, I have overall improved for sure since I first started this whole journey. I have been upping weights consistently. Here and there I'll fluctuate, like some days I'm so weak and I cannot perform as well as I usually do. But overall, I have been upping weights. It's really cool being able to break my own personal records and just keep like progressing. I think that's so cool. I'm so excited to continue this whole fitness journey even after EDC. Like, I'm already looking into a workout program that I want to get. I'm very excited about that. So yeah, loving this whole journey. But the one thing that I do want to touch on is back acne, and I know this is my own fault. So for those of you who don't know and don't keep up with my skincare videos, my skin is acne prone, and I also do experience back acne. So for a while here, my skin was clear on my back and my face. Well, that's a different story. My face has been experiencing some things due to retinol. But anyways, my back acne has been flaring up again ever since I've been working out. And I know this is all my own fault because I'll get home really late from the gym sometimes, like literally midnight. And I'm just so exhausted. I don't feel like taking a shower, even though I was just sweating so much. So I'll end up sleeping in my own sweats. I know, disgusting, but when you're tired and you don't feel like it, that's what happens. So I started using this glycolic body wash from Pixie. In the beginning, I didn't really experience any sort of major differences, but as I've been using it more consistently, like I'll use this every time I shower now, and definitely after the gym. I've been making more of a conscious effort to shower after the gym. So it has actually been working. Like, my back acne is lightening, it's getting better, it blows my mind. I also have KP on my arms, which is keratosis pilaris. So that's like the bumps and the redness that you get on the back of your arms. this has been helping that as well. Like, it has been lightening for sure. It used to be way more red and pronounced and bumpy, but now it's so much more smooth. There's definitely still some bumps there, but I'm sure like as I keep using this, it'll just keep getting better, you know? As far as weight gain goes, I have gained a few pounds, yay, very excited about that. Not as much as I wanted to, like I want to gain 10 pounds, but we are on the right track. So yeah, I'm just super excited to continue this whole fitness journey. I am so glad I started. And I'll see you all under the electric sky. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!